Today I've got a Polaris Predator 90. It's a 2005. Got it from a family member. Tires are flat, so I'm about to pump those up so it'll roll a little bit better. Looks like the battery's totally dead because I'm not getting oh, I got a neutral light now. So we'll see if this thing runs. As far as I'm aware, last time it did, but it's been sitting for a while, so we'll see. So I was being silly yesterday and forgot this thing even had a kickstart. So we're gonna try the electric start one more time. If it doesn't work, I'm gonna try to kickstart it. I think it's still just too dead. Yeah, I hear it trying. Yeah, it's just too dead. This thing didn't charge much last night, so we'll try the Kickstarter. Yeah, something tells me it's gonna need a carb clean because gas has been left on. Yeah, I smell the gas. It smells rough, so carb clean. That's what we're gonna do first. So I cleaned the carburetor. I didn't show any of that because it actually wasn't dirty. The jets were clear, but I went ahead and threw it in the ultrasonic cleaner just to be sure maybe all the passages and whatnot. Everything looked good. And I tried to start it, but I couldn't get it to start. But I noticed this hose here was off and this port was open, and I closed it up. That's the port, and that's the line to the oil tank for the oil injection. And as soon as I plugged it in, it started like second kick. It only fired for like half a second or so. So I'm gonna try starting it now and getting it running a little bit better and go from there. All right, let's see what it'll do. Let's see, that's all it'll do. It really sounds like the exhaust is coming out from up there, not back here. That's all it did yesterday. Back here, or under here, the exhaust pipe. I bet you that's where that leak's coming from. Alright, so this is on. Okay, so that's all it'll do with that. So that way's on. I probably could have just tried to pull a key, but that sounds way better than what I did before. out the high idle issue. Gotta figure out where it's coming from. I'm not totally sure, to be honest with you. I sprayed some, what I believe was brake clean, but it never raised the idle. So we'll see. Went ahead and got a battery for it. I gave it a quick rinse with the water hose, and I did tune up the carburetor a little bit more because I believe the last time it ran for y'all, it was high idle was hanging. I sprayed around the carburetor for any leaks, and it never revved up or bogged down or anything. So I adjusted the air screw a little bit more, and then I got it right. So we're gonna throw this battery in, and then I'll show you that. Let's see what she'll do with the new battery. Gas is on. Neutral light's on. Choke.